Hey everybody, it's me, Jonathan. Haven't seen you for a little while. It's because I've been hard at work on my first guitar book, the DCG Trick, What Famous Bands Did with Easy Chords. And now the book is finally available. You can download it at www.song-bike.com. Now the book is based on my greatest hit, my video called the DCG Trick, which has at this point over 8 million views. And being a marketing genius, I figured I'd wait 6 or 7 years after uploading the video and then put out the book. So the book is finally available, wearing the orange shirt from the original video, and I'm here to celebrate the book's release. So some of you might be wondering, well, how is the book different from the video? And I'd be happy to tell you. Check it out. Just like the DCG Trick video, the book is based on dozens and dozens of famous songs that use the same basic chord progression, D major to C add 9 to the 4-fingered G chord. Unlike the video, the book has tab, tips, photos, and an audio track for every example in the book. It's all included. I even made a new video that you can find at my website, www.song-bike.com, and in that video you can watch me play through everything in the book. I wrote the book with beginning and intermediate guitar players in mind. Here's a pretty easy example from page 7, the boom chick riff. Here's one from page 11. See if you recognize this tune. And here's one from page 29, some hammer-ons. So that gives you a little taste of what you can find in the DCG Trick book. Don't forget, every example has an audio track that shows you what it's supposed to sound like. And of course, there's that free video on my website where you can watch me playing through everything in the book. Plus, of course, there's photos and tips too. So head on over to www.song-bike.com. You can download a copy. You can see a few sample pages before you buy it. And once you download it, you're welcome to print it out and put it on your music stand so you have a hard copy right there for you. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. Stay tuned for more videos and more books. Take care.